Hello everyone and welcome to Flush. My name is Heeva and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 3-pack shipping box. Specifically today we're going to be packing the candle sign straight-sided tumbler, but this video is going to serve as a good example for any vessel packed within this 3-pack category. So with that, we'll just jump right in. So here we have a flat unfolded box. Before we start folding it, let's get familiar with the parts a little bit. So here we have the main body here. And then as we work our way down, we have the attached insert, which includes 3 cutouts here, sized appropriately for the vessel the box was intended for. So now we're familiar with a little bit, we're going to start with folding. So the first step that I like to recommend is to find each of the creases on the box and give them a little bit of a fold here. Now this is something that's not required to do, but we recommend, especially on your first few units as you're getting familiar with our boxes, just to give you a better idea of how the pieces want to fold naturally and want to go together. We found that if you do this, it helps reduce the chances of pieces wanting to bind or the box wanting to kind of give you a hard time as you're putting it together. So take a little time, fold those a little bit, and then it'll help get familiar with the box. So once we've done that, we'll go ahead and orient it so that the insert is closest to me. And then we'll grab these flaps on either side. And this is more of a 3-step part, and we'll break it down here into 3 steps. So we'll fold these 2 flaps up towards the ceiling, in towards each other, and then down. So we'll try that again. From the flat position here, we'll grab these 2 flaps, fold them up towards the ceiling, in towards each other, and then down to form the bottom of the box. At this step, press in with your index fingers, and with your remaining fingers, grab these flaps on either side, fold them in towards each other, place the box on its back, and then with your thumbs, press in. So now we can hold it together with one hand without the box wanting to spring open on you. And from here, we're going to fold the rollover panels down until they lock into place. You should hear a nice audible locking sound when you do that. So you do that the same thing on the other side, fold it down and lock it into place. We'll fold this back, get it out of our way here. And then the last step is going to be folding the insert. The insert has 2 smaller panels on each side here and then 1 longer one. Fold those in towards each other so that they're just out of the way. As we fold the insert towards the back of the box, you'll notice immediately there are locking tabs on either side of the insert that are frictioning against the inside side walls of the box. That's good. That's perfectly normal. We want that as we fold the insert all the way down to where those locking tabs lock into place with the slots on the box. And you can see here on both sides, those tabs are inserted all the way. As an added step, I like to use my thumbs and run along the top surface of the insert just to make sure those tabs are inserted all the way. Once you've done that, we can fold the fingers in and out of the way, getting ready to accept the vessels. Now once we've done that, we can grab each one of our tumblers here and start placing them inside. You'll notice once you start, there's going to be a little bit of friction as you place the vessel in. That's good. We're going to keep working past that, push all the way down until it gets to the bottom of the box. And we're going to do the same thing with the others. Just be careful as you start to press the vessel in, making sure that it gets completely inside of the cavity there, and then press all the way down. And the same thing with the last vessel. Press in, work past the friction all the way down. And there you have it. The vessels are now in. All we need to do is close up the box. And the area where you want to apply tape prior to shipping is going to be along this open edge seam here. Just a nice strip of tape along there is going to help keep the box closed during shipping. And that's it. Now, above and beyond this, you can use custom stamps or stickers to decorate the outside of the box. It's a blank canvas, so use your imagination, make the box your own. We also have a gallery available on our website that you can browse if you're looking for some inspiration of how to decorate your boxes. Thank you so much. That's the assembly of our 3-pack. We hope you love them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We're here and we're happy to help. Thanks so much.